Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Error, sorry, there was a problem with your request when you're using your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So if you see this error, first thing you need to try, so just take your phone and first thing just try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just open right in search tab Instagram, and if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. And also you can try to check your internet connection, so just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just find here Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, just find general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.